I hope you did catch that. So I'm finna to switch over that side a little up close where you can see what I'm talking about in depth. All right, as you can see, it's entering the twilight zone, as I say. So ready? Yo, it's your boy EVsmokeATX, Big Texas. As you can see, I'm coming here today. As you can see, I'm talking here in my man cave here, just chilling here. Let me get this camera focused in, but I'm talking to you right now from the man cave game room area for a second. And the reason why I'm up here, I want to kind of talk about this for a second while I'm up here. It's still containing with my EV, getting ready for my racing this weekend here at the event out in Dallas. But so I'm coming today in the man cave, just chilling, just relaxing, but also practicing, get my practice in. And you kind of ask yourself, what do you mean practicing in the game room, dealing with racing and so on, and getting yourself together? But so this is what I do. Take it serious. I aim to be the best that I can be, strive. And we say, put that work in, practice. You can't never go wrong. Practice make perfect, like they say, So this is what I do to get myself ready and keep myself polished when I'm doing my thing at the drag track. So check this out right quick. I'm finna show you what I'm talking about right quick, okay? This right here. Alrighty, so this is what I'm talking about here. That guy there, this is my tree. Practice with my staging, reaction time, and just reaction. Practice make perfect. I'm sitting here just chilling, like I say, in the game room. Pop it, watching, just chilling and getting in. And this is my old. Go check out my video on my personal channel when I went to Jamaica and we saw the cyber truck over there in Jamaica. There, that was like the first one they say over there and so on. But yeah, but anyway. But this is not what that was about today, so go check that out on my personal channel. But look, so yeah, this is what I do here. I'm getting myself, I got my, as you can see, I got my, one of the pair of my racing shoes on. So what this does is, for the ones that don't know, let me get this camera situated. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm sitting here, and I got to hold the camera here for a second, because I can, too lazy to go back downstairs and get my tripod. But anyway, so what I'm doing here is this is help practice my reaction time, my foot braking with my situation and so on. So what I'll do is, this is the left foot, which is, brake, and then accelerator on in Plaid and smoke. So what I'm doing now here, I'm finna, getting the, basically, you see, I'm just, oh, look at that. I hit that 0.25 win already on the first try. But I usually just sit here and focus. Right now I'm just recording. I usually have both my hands doing this. Like I said, just sitting here practicing and trying to get better, with that reaction time, because that plays a key when it comes to drag racing. So watch this here. I'm in the left lane. That's the right lane. The computer is the right lane. Bam. 0.62. So like I said, I just do this because I do it. I take it so serious and take it serious in practice, get it in, put the hard work in. But yeah, like I said, I put my racing shoes on usually. Sometimes I usually have my other ones on too, my Michelin ones or whatever, or my race quick ones here today. Just like I said, getting ready for this past weekend and just, polishing up. You never can be too ready, Watch this one more time. So I staged, other guy gonna stage, and tree drop, pro tree. So I can do full tree on here as well, but I'm a pro tree guy, I love pro tree. It's a more challenge. Pro tree or instant green. That is my, so right there, that's what you don't want, a red lit there, so. But yeah, you see that? It's fun actually, and sometimes they do this at the track, and I got another one too for the other side. So we'll have a good friendly reaction time, have a little fun, maybe put a little bids in and win and see who get the reaction time and so on. This is actually fun. Real racers, If you know, you know, you know what I mean? Watch this. See, I lit off too fast. That's what you don't want at the track. That's what you don't want, the red lit. So yeah, let's go. Watch this. See, you don't want that. So, but like I said, I'm saying it's hard for me. I'm just talking and filming this as well, holding the camera. I usually have both hands doing this and just really zoomed in, tuned in, focused. But yeah. But let's go out. I want to show you smoke as well. Let's go downstairs. I want to go out here and show you smoke dealing with the reaction and Cheetah launch suspension work pretty much when it pertains to drag racing. And a lot of people don't know, you know, they think you just pull up and just go. It's a little bit more into that. You got to do a little bit more and get things in timing, and you know, we take it serious, and it's just, it could be a lot going on, you know, with the adrenaline going, and you know, just so much going on. You got to time things and make sure everything's right, and especially, you know, if you're racing for that bag, you know, if you got that bag up, you don't want to mess the money up. But yeah, so let's go downstairs right quick, and I want to talk about and show you that right quick. So yeah, let's go downstairs and go see smoke out here, and I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. It's a little bit more in depth. All right, come on, meet you downstairs. Alrighty, so let's go ride with me right quick. I want to demonstrate and show you right quick once again the importance of what I do and take serious about practicing and just being great at what I do and what I believe in when it contains to my Tesla racing. So yeah, I want you to come very quick. I'm gonna demonstrate about the Cheetah launch mode, Cheetah launch control as well. So I'm going to show you right quick for the ones that don't know, and then for the ones that think they know. So let's go. Let me summons out the garage and back it out. I'll pull it out, and we're gonna go for a ride and show you right quick. Okay, come on. I gotta use this one. Alrighty, so hey, I'm out here, want to demonstrate and show you why. Hope you can hear me over the car. It's loud, it's hot still out here, and it's in its mode, drag mode. So it's, you know, doing this thing there when it does that. But I'm gonna demonstrate here. I want to show you about how all this tie in together with me practicing, being serious about what I do and taking it serious and just dedicated, hard work plus patience. Nipsey Hussle, rest in peace. But yeah, I'm going to show how all this tie in with me for my car and what I do out there on the track. Because, you know, I don't do street racing, FYI. Hey, only at the track. I only promote tracks. Only at the track. But anyway, to each his own, you know. But yeah, so I'm gonna demonstrate right quick before it gets darker out here. Because like I said, I wanted to get out here a little earlier, but the sun was so hot. It was just extremely hot out here. And last time I tried to film, the camera and so on, said temperature soon I start recording, and it just didn't work right. But so anyway, so as you see the beautiful sun set, you know, it's getting, you know, a little cooler out here, you know, much better than earlier. But so yeah, I'm gonna get here and demonstrate right quick and show you why all this tie in and how this tie in with the thing I do and my little special stuff I got going on with my bump in, and you know, with our tune. I'm in talks with some guys, man. We thinking about my team that's, you know, working secret with me. We're in the midst of talking about doing some here, maybe, you know, some exclusive stuff sometimes for people that want to take it serious as we do with their Tesla. But you know, you gotta be dedicated and just serious about it. Cause with me, like I said, I'll be a little different. You know, you got, you know, a lot of people want to know what the car's running and all that. You can Google what Plaids run and so on if you want, you know. But I just want to take a different approach, you know. Like I said, just respect me, you know, for what I do and what we do. You know, I got a lot of people work with me, but you won't really see about them on the scene. You know, they work behind the scene. You know, you gotta know. You know, everybody move different. I move different. You know, just respect it. You know, for the ones that, you know, just wondering, you know, just talk to them. You know, we can have good conversations and so on. Drop it in the comments what you want to know, and you know, I'm a rational person, you know, depending on what it is and so on. But, you know, like I said, out of respect, you know, respect NDAs, you know, they are real, you know. They may go over some people's heads, you know. So, but yeah, let me show you this bad boy as it getting, you know, as the sun going down. And then let me get in here. Okay, so you see the doors are locked now because my phone I'm using my phone. I bring my camera. I'm using my phone right now, and the phone that I have with that one is tied in with that, so it's too far away. So that's why it's good to always keep. It's always good to keep your emergency key fob or card. You see, this is my card here. You see? You got the key. I got a key fob for this one too, because when I first got my I got the Gen 1 Plaids, Gen 1 when they first released the first and so on. You know, they was giving you 2 of these and 2 key fobs when you took delivery of your Plaid. You know, like I said, I had my car configured from the, you know, from the ground up. You know, first owner and so on. You know, but Gen 1, I'm not for sure if they still do that now. I gotta check with my guy. I'm not for sure they still giving away fobs or they just doing the key cards now. You know, but nowadays we use everything on our phone. But my phone is doing the recording right now, as you can see, and so basically I'm taking my card and just, you see, it unlocks it right here. It's just my phone is all the way over there. So yeah, let me show you right quick. All right, so what you can see right here, we have it's in red, which is always what I want when I'm at the track, you know, peak performance ready. So, you know, that's when it's ready to do its thing, really, right there, you know. So yeah, let's do it. So what I'm doing now, let's see, make sure everything's the way I want it. Yep. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, yep. All right, so what I'm doing now, getting the Cheetah lunch ready. All right, so yeah, so basically, of course, you know, we got it in gear. Foot on the brakes. Foot on the brake. Left foot on brake. Next foot on the accelerator. As you can see, it's entering in what they call Cheetah stance. Launch control ready. So what I'm doing now, I'm waiting for my car to let me know when it's ready, which is gonna turn on. So it just did. I just tapped this a little bit. I got a little button right here. I tap that button, and what that does, that gives me the advantage to bump forward. I messed wrong. I got. Oh, hold on. Sorry. So what? As you can see, watch the car finna do what it do. You know, it's going into what they call the Twilight Zone, Plaid, beyond Plaid, EV style. Oh, I did need to check somewhere. I got, yeah. On the suspension work. So now, see, it's ready to go. It's entering in what they call Cheetah stance. Ready. And you see the front end went down, and then now I can bump it. So see the front end down, give me enough time to bump it up. Did you see that? So I'm gonna do it one more time here because I got distracted on something here. I can't hold the button too long here. So you see the front end? Hopefully my camera's catching this. You see that front end went down? You see how the car's rocking? Give me enough to do my thing and boom, take off. Just like that. I hope you did catch that. So I'm finna to switch over that side a little up close where you can see what I'm talking about in depth. I hope I hope the camera caught that. It's hard to do, you know, when you're doing solo, you gotta do what you gotta do, you know. Alrighty, so let's try it again here. Alrighty, okay, so you see the front end? You see how it's lowering? You see that? You see it? You see? Now I'm gonna bump it up enough right there, and boom, I'm out, just like that. Just like that. plaid zone. So yeah, and I'm just gonna switch it up right quick. I hope it did get it that time. So I'll switch up the other side right quick. All right, so let me try this again here at this angle here. As you can see, make sure I get it. So yeah, you probably hear those fans there doing this thing, heating that pack up, drag ready. So yeah, let me see if I can get it to work right now. Let's see. Oh, let's see. Okay, let's see. All right, so let's say you should see it there. You see it going down? Look at that front end. You see? It's going, lowering more. How low can you go? And say I'm finna go and finna hit my little bump, my switch, bump me in, and then you know that's it. That light drop, we out of there, just like that. Ooh wee, just like that. That light drop, we out of there. Low on the ground, but yeah, just like that, you know. So I want to say this right quick. So it's a lot going to play here when I you know, when I'm doing my thing. You know, it's not just what, you know, like I say, and just pull up there and just go. You know, there's a lot to play, a lot going on. But I love what I do. I take it serious. I practice my craft. I take it serious. I know my car. I got the right people with me, working with me, and so on. We know some things and figure things out. But like I said, I take it serious. This is my passion. So definitely got this race this weekend. Got a couple races this weekend. Another Plaid out of Dallas. Cool dude. I think his car is completely gutted, and I think he has some done to his. You know, so we're gonna see how that goes. Who turned that wind light on there? Have a good time. I'm gonna see if he want to do like the best 2 out of 3. I kind of like that idea. I raced that Corvette a couple times. I did that. I like that best 2 out of 3. So that way, give a fair chance. You know, because the first time something may happen, and you know things gonna go right. The car act up at the light staging, and you know it's part of the game. But best 2 out of 3, we put that up. So I think I'm gonna see if you want to do that. I like that. You know, bring a little bit more fun now. Definitely some good content as well. So, but yeah, if you like this video, hit the like, hit the thumbs up. It helps the channel out. But also too, if you want to see me do more other things, drop it in the comments, or you know, let me know if you got any questions there. I will get with you on it, and you know, I'll be open to talk with you there, and let me know some of the things you want to see when I'm not at the track racing here. What kind of content you would like for me to bring, because I'm here for it. Definitely. So check out the other footage there. We got some other stuff going on as well, and definitely stay tuned for the one coming up this weekend. And hey, definitely, you know, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. It helps me out. We got more to come. Stay tuned. It's your boy EVsmokeATX, Big Texas. Peace out. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell.